Hello, my name is Alex Lee, General Manager of Doosan Robotics Americas. The partnership between Doosan Robotics and Rockwell Automation is driven by the shared belief that we can achieve more together than we can individually. Each company brings a distinct set of expertise and unique components to the table, which when integrated together results in best-in-class solutions. Rockwell Automation and Doosan Robotics technologies integrate seamlessly to make the critical demands for collaborative robotic solutions. Ethernet IP is native on Doosan robots, enabling efficient communication with Rockwell Automation controllers. Furthermore, we have developed add-on profiles offering premier integration between our technologies and logic controllers. Through our partnership, we strive to deliver an enhanced robotic experience for our mutual customers, enabling them to leverage the full potential of our combined solutions. Rockwell Automation and Doosan Robotics align closely within the industry, providing support and solutions across a wide range of sectors. We have a strong presence in various industries, including consumer packaged goods and food services. However, our collaboration extends beyond these sectors. We cater to the diverse needs of multiple industries. By combining our expertise and resources, we can offer comprehensive support and tailored solutions to address the unique challenges and requirements of many different industries.